Our work is important because there are so many diseases out there. To think that you could be part of a treatment or cure for Alzheimer's or a certain type of cancer is incredible. Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a biochemical engineer and a scientific consultant. I make medicines, so for me, knowing that we're delivering medicines to patients which are going to treat some really nasty diseases is a big motivation. One of the medicines I've worked on has treated up to 1.3 million people with cancer in the UK alone. Making medicines is technically really difficult, and the whole process can take up to 10 to 15 years. So if you like tricky problems to work on, it could be for you. In manufacturing, there's often a chain of processes, so trying to get everyone who worked on something before you and after you all sticking to the same timelines is quite hard, but it's rewarding. Sometimes we have patients come back and they talk to us about what a life-changing medicine that has been and the impact that has been on their lives. There are so many different careers in this sector. Working in a laboratory is actually a very small proportion of what we do. Anyone can get into this side of the manufacturing sector if they really wanted to. It's not just for people with PhDs in science. You could work in the logistics, making sure all the right parts of a product have arrived safely and delivered to the patients at the right quality. You could help to analyse the products to make sure that they're safe and of the right quality. Or you could be in the office, maintaining things like batch records and reviewing documents. I think sometimes people forget that pharmaceutical manufacturing is actually a business as well. So you could work in areas like communications, finance and HR. Equally, if you have a science background but don't want to work in a lab, some of our marketing or events roles means you need to understand the science, have a great conversation about it and do a lot of networking. So do things that show you can work in a team. It could be a sports team, a STEM club, or something like a robot building competition. And being inquisitive is important. Being able to self-start and get that research done by motivating yourself. So doing an EPQ or other research project about a type of medicine or technology could be a really great way to show that. The one piece of advice I would give someone who wants to enter the medicines manufacturing sector is you definitely have to be passionate about it. It's not a 9-to-5 job. It's quite hard work, but it's really, really rewarding. And my hope is that we can find cures for these diseases.